Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how an Uber Eats driver works. Uber Eats drivers, also known as delivery partners, work by accepting delivery requests through their Uber Eats app, where they can choose their working hours and locations. After accepting a delivery request, drivers navigate to the restaurant to pick up the order, ensuring accuracy and timely pickup. They then transport the food to the customer's specified location, whether it is a home, office, or other designated address. Throughout the process, drivers use the app to track delivery details, communicate with customers if needed, and receive real-time navigation instructions. Payment is typically based on a combination of factors, including a base fare for each delivery, incentives for completing a certain number of deliveries within a specified time frame, and customer tips. Overall, Uber Eats drivers enjoy flexibility in their schedules and the opportunity to earn income by providing convenient food delivery services to customers. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.